Hi, I'm Mary O'Malley, and I'm a GTD coach. And today I'm here to talk about doing GTD when you're in the middle of a work transition. And that work transition can be one you chose or one that is happening to you. And in either case, what I have done with clients when they show up in the middle of a transition like that to a call is first and foremost, we do a mind sweep. So these transitions can really uh, throw us. I know whenever I've been in a transition, what has my attention is kind of everything all at once. And the big things show up, but then also these little teeny tiny things kind of latch onto my attention, and I'll find myself thinking about them and repeating them. Whenever that's the case, it's time to lean into the capture habit and a mind sweep around what is true for you, what is occurring to you, all the things you think you need to do. Go ahead and capture that and get that out, and then clarify and organize it. So if you do not have access to your tool anymore, maybe your list manager was connected to your work, paper is just fine. Get a sheet of paper, do a mind sweep, and then clarify and organize that. The other thing that can be helpful just in the immediate to lower some overwhelm and get you into action is on that mind sweep, go ahead and put a star next to all of the 2-minute actions. And 2 minutes, okay, if it's 3 minutes, yeah, sure, put a star there. And can you execute them? If there's a lot of them and you have maybe 30 minutes of work, now you can put that on your calendar or you can set a timer and off you go. The next piece there on that mind sweep list is, are there any projects there? Does that project have any sub projects? And is there anything that feels a little bit opaque to you? And meaning you aren't quite sure what done is going to look like. There's a lot of information you don't know at this juncture. So go ahead and use the natural planning model and begin to unpack that project that way on a new sheet of paper. And there are a ton of videos on this YouTube channel of people talking about a paper-based system. Julie Ireland has a paper-based system. Meg Edwards uses OmniFocus. Christina uses Todoist. I use Trello. And there are so many things and resources to support you if you're looking into getting a new tool. And in the immediate, we're just talking about right now what to do in the moment. Paper is going to serve you just fine. You've done a mind sweep. You've noticed everything that is 2 minutes or less and put an asterisk next to that, or maybe a 2 with a circle. Then you're looking at any big projects and you're using the natural planning model to unpack those projects and begin to track the next actions, begin to pull out project support, and begin to move those things forward. And as you do that, it can give all of us a way. I know it definitely helps me when I'm in this state to move things from being emotional to being cognitive. It gets me thinking about what is the next action. And that brings me to the next piece, which is, does everything have a verb? And if it doesn't, go back through both for your project lists and your project plans and your mind sweep and any next actions. Make sure everything has a verb to it. This is one of the foundations of a good GTD system, is grounding things in next actions and thinking in terms of taking a problem or an issue, turning it into project and next action thinking. And then the last piece with that is putting those things into a trusted system. And if your system is shifting, that's okay. You still have the learning, you still have the thinking, you still have your ability to build out something new and trusted for the future. So I hope this was helpful to you if you're going through a transition in terms of work and life. If you know someone who is, and this would be helpful, I encourage you to forward it to them. As always, please like and subscribe. Be sure to suggest any topics for future videos in the chat below. And we'll link a couple videos on different coaches talking about their system, if that would be helpful. Bye for now.
For more GTD resources, visit davidco.com and David Allen's YouTube channel. To explore coaching, email info@gtdfocus.com or visit gtdfocus.com and click Talk to a Coach.